It is shared that counseling theory plays an important role for the counseling process when working in a therapeutic relationship. This is supported by both our textbook readings with Tan and Rubin and Schmitzer. Tan shares that there are many variations of counseling styles and hundreds of different theoretical approaches that counselors use when working with clients. However, there are 10 to 12 major theories that is shared in the textbook. These theories include the Adlerian, Jungian, psychoanalytic, existential, person-centered, Gestalt, reality, behavior, CBT, in conjunction with RBT, and marital and family therapy theories. These theories act as a foundation for counselors to guide the counseling process. During this video discussion, I'm going to be discussing several reasons why theory is essential for the counseling process. As shared in our textbook by Tan et al., a direct quote on page 7 shares that counseling theory is important. It provides a framework of understanding and practice that guides the counselor and psychotherapist in their attempts to help clients. This quote shares that theory lays a foundation for counselors to support them in their counseling relationship and with clients. Theories offer techniques that can be used and a definition of how the counseling relationship is going to go as a foundation. Theory is also essential, according to Tan, in helping counselors be aware of their own bias and pre-existent notion. So, for example, counselors often have their own idea of how a therapy session should run and what techniques they would want to use when working with a client. That allows for counselors to put a name to their beliefs on how to best help their clients and how to use different techniques that have been shown by scientific evidence to be effective. It also includes that theory is provided to counselors and clients to help lead to what techniques and methods have been shown to be most effective. Also said by Tan et al. In the textbook is that theory is known as a necessity in modern-day counseling. Therefore, counselors are ethically responsible to use theory in going with beneficence and non-maleficence and showing that they're going to use the best possible treatment within the counseling session. Therefore, this means that using theory is essential in counseling, meaning that if you do not use theory, you are not acting as an ethical counselor. It is shared by Rubin and Schwitzer that there is a need for theory for case conceptualization, and that is one of the 3 components of working as a therapist is to perform diagnosis, use conceptualization, which involves using a theory, and then leading to a treatment plan for the client. Thank you, and that is the reasons why theory is essential for the counseling profession.